And you probably say Empo is on a roll today. Well, you can't say that, but it's been a minute since I've been consistent with this channel, so may I build it back. Anyway, for today's video, we have Dowey and RT Boss going at it. If you ever hear the two man, I'm about to up each other. Anyway, on to the video.
Hungry man, then say anything at all to get a eye.
Me fit tell you, any blood clotting already no go so.
Yeah, but I know man.
RT boss, your spell never work good.
Yeah.
Because them say believe kill and believe cure.
Oh, you
no over believe that me I tell you no.
Oh, if you left the fish downstairs.
But you left the fish downstairs and over believe too much. You should have put it in a suitcase.
If you left the damn fish downstairs.
RT Boss if you add him.
Where?
Add him no? Add him buckler me name and come over here so come.
Yeah, see. Oh, may I see it now.
Blood clot.
I wonder if I shoot him now follow me or me not follow him. Hold on, me look and say me can't see him. Dirty pastor, big. Honey pastor, big up yourself.
RT, rub do it out, rub me out. Me look like blood clot, we call it.
RT, send a request there.
We call it pencil and rubber. But rub me out of too no.
You want to take me down London and bring up cheese?
No, I go to man, me I try to find him. Me can't find him.
To the man.
Send a request there, because he must say Guzu strong, you know, so maybe he can just add himself on the live.
Yeah, it's the same Guzu can blood clot come over here, see, right? Guzu weak. Guzu weak, fam.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All me years, me the in.
Them pussy they burn incense, man. After you burn incense, you don't know OBEAH man, you know. That me I tell you.
I'm sorry,
he's a reader, man. No OBEAH man.
Oh.
Incense
she's
you
up on
burn.
our life.
Fucking idiot.
Right now, they are taking one England movie, you know, Top Boys. Watch a movie about 100 times.
We're going to go live via satellite with RT Boss.
Pussy, remember say your woman fucking in your body, in a body boy.
What's up, your mother pussy?
Remember saying your body queen fucking a body boy.
Remember saying boy pussy. You a body boy. Me a body boy, body boy. But talk about your mother.
Yes, the woman a clean
Talk about your mother. You can't talk to me pussy. You can't talk to my body boy. I'm going to come for live and talk about your body boy. Your suck in your father. You can't talk to me either, boy. Nah, hear you neither.
Cougar, you fuck a suck your body boy. All woman you fuck pussy. No all woman no mind me. Pussy go suck your mama. Me no want with body boy with.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a technical difficulty. We're gonna go back live with the One Connection Boss, because we never really understand the word.
Yo.
No, my apologies, but I missed it.
We didn't know that him a come over here, come there, you know. But body boy, man a fuck him, make him company live at all, but my woman fuck me in my body. Pussy a year, woman a fuck you in a year body. Make you have that for your thought, make a company life. Pussy will look like she just fuck you with the dildo.
I eat cheese and oxtail.
Our man, RT Boss, no, my big hand.
Him could never be a man, dog. Me I tell you, could never. Hey boy, is a hermaphrodite, man. You have pussy and blood clot cocky, you know. Man a fuck you and girl a fuck you, man.
My God, it's true, me know you like, oh, me know, me look at
all the thing that they run up all in bumbo clock mouth, RT Boss, me tell you this pussy. Anytime you ready, body boy, down a yard, you know. You hear that? You hear that, RT Boss? Anytime you ready, down a yard. Because the thing them, they are yard, you hear that? We flick them up in our head, you hear? Know that. Flick them up in our head.
So now the question is,